What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. Today we're actually in my basement because, well, I don't have enough room in my garage to put all of this shop equipment in it, so some of it's down here in the basement. Works out for me. I recently picked up this welding table. The brand is Titanium. It's a 36 by 24 inch modular welding table, is what they call it. So it has, I believe it's literally over 200 of these 5/8 holes drilled in it. It comes like this, all set up. All you have to do is attach the legs. Comes with all these clamps, V-blocks, these, I believe they just call these stops. All that for 170. And today I just got this level. This is the accuracy it claims on it. 0.5 millimeter over 3 feet. So got that on there. And if you look, I'm gonna have to go slow here so it'll focus, but it is actually very good and flat. Check this out. I mean, there is nothing. No gaps. And yes, I have checked it like all 8 directions. It's literally like 99.5%, let's say, perfect on the flatness. So I'm really happy with that. I think if you're just a home DIYer like me, this is probably, for under 200 bucks. I paid 170 for this. I think this is about as good as it gets. For all this stuff, it's a lot better than the table I had before, which in comparison is hard to call it a welding table. It's more just like a place to weld. It's just the basic, Chicago Electric one. That was like 70 bucks if I remember right. And I mean, actually even before that, I started just welding, on a wood workbench, like clamp the part to a vise and just weld off that. So for me, this is actually like my third step up on tables. Not sure if I'm going to go above this in the future or not, but really happy with what I got here. Looking forward to using it. All these pieces for setting up, fixtures. I think it's going to be great. So just wanted to share this table with you guys. If you're looking for something, I think it'd be, if anything, a nice starting point for a welding table. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.